You ever want to clip something on the fly, but you don't want to have to beg chat to do it? Got the tutorial for you. Jump over to OBS. And we're going to look at the settings here. And in the settings, what we're going to do is we're going to go to hotkey. We're going to look at the replay buffer, save replay hotkey. I already have one in place. Put whatever you like. And let's go from there to output. Look at the recording. Make sure that we have the recording where it's going, that we want, and the format that we want. Over at the replay buffer, make sure it's enabled. And the time frame that you want. 60 seconds has always been perfect for me. You can play around with it, see if the file sizes are too big, too small, etc. 6 seconds, I usually have to still trim stuff out. It's a very, very long time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cancel out of this. Right now, what I'm gonna say is you put any hotkey you want in there, and you can use a keyboard. I'm gonna move over to StreamDeck and kind of focus on that for the tutorial. But I will say, right now you can start stream and you can click this button right here called start replay buffer, and boom, you're golden. You can go from there and you can get the clips that you want and you need just on the fly with the keyboard button that you've selected. But we're gonna look at StreamDeck because I prefer to just hit one button and just kind of reach up and do it on my StreamDeck. And if you don't have a StreamDeck, that's okay. So we're gonna go and look for hotkey, slide that over, go to clip. We're gonna toss in the hotkey that we used over in the replay buffer on OBS. And once we have that, once again, start replay buffer after you start stream, and you're golden, and you can just hit one button and it'll just send it to your clip files. Please let me know if you have any questions about OBS or StreamDeck in the comments below. I gladly will do some tutorials for you guys and help out in any way that I can. I stream Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 8 p.m. EST if you guys want to slide by and ask me questions there as well.